How to fix ApolloGroupTV app not updating. I'm going to tell you how to fix the ApolloGroupTV app if it's not updating. First, if the app isn't updating automatically, it usually means you installed it through an APK, not from an official app store. That means you'll need to update it manually. Start by uninstalling the current version. On a Fire Stick, go to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Apollo Group TV, and then uninstall. Next, open the Downloader app. If you don't have it, install it from the Amazon App Store, then head to the Apollo Group TV website or their support channels to get the latest APK link. Enter the link in the downloader, hit go, and download the newer version. Once it's downloaded, install it right away. After it's installed, open the app and log back in. You should now be running the latest version with all the new fixes and features. If your Apollo app won't update, just delete it and reinstall the newest version manually.